Hey everyone, this is Lori, and in this video I'm going to be talking about AppsKitPro. It's an app maker for both iOS, which is Apple, and Android devices, and it will be launching on Wednesday, October 16th at 10 a.m. That's 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time in the US. Okay, so I'm just going to do an overview and give you an idea of what you get. The link will be down in the description of this video. You can go out and check out everything that I'm going over and take your time, look into it, and see if it's something you're interested in. Now, this is great for any agency or business or anybody, whether it's an individual or if you have a partnership. You can create apps to local businesses, and they don't even have to be local. They can be anywhere. And you can create an app for their business, and you can sell it to them, and you can make a lot of money doing this. And this software will enable you to do that. So here are some of the features. It's the easiest cloud-based native mobile app creation platform. It's a simple drag and drop builder. Previous technical, I think that means no previous technical knowledge is required, because this, you don't need to know any code or anything like that. So I think that's just a typo that I hope they fix. Create apps for both iOS and Android. Offer app development as a professional service with the fastest and bug-free delivery, and it works for any niche. It can be an app for an e-commerce store. It could be an app for a service that somebody is offering. And it can be for any niche. That's what's so cool about this. And it's native, so it can be made in their language. Okay, so just gives you an overview here. Choose the desired design for your mobile app. You have plenty to choose from as far as format, colors, text. So you can brand the identity. Choose the workflow of the app, functions, add-ons, and other technical features without writing any code. Okay, so again, you don't have to have any previous experience. If you've been kicking around the idea of doing this as a business, this is the software that you want to start with. You can publish your app directly to Google Play Store and Apple Store. You can make your app easily available for iOS and Android users by directly publishing the app. And this app will also help you be compliant with the Apple Store and the Google Play Store, because that's one of the roadblocks that people run into is not being compliant, so they can't get on it. This app will help you with that. Okay, so apps are here to stay, and it is huge. I mean, I have so many apps downloaded on my phone, it's ridiculous. And they're here to stay. Okay, so I'm not going to go through all of this because this same information will be there for you. I'm just doing basically an overview. So here are some examples of clients that you could get: restaurants, hair salons, yoga studios, gyms, golf courses, coaches, retailers. There are thousands of service-oriented businesses that don't have apps yet. And the opportunity is huge. Doctors, lawyers, public figures, influencers. I mean, anybody can do this. That's what's so cool about it. Now, these guys have launched previous, very successful and good quality products. So I know that this is going to be a huge, huge launch for them, and I'm thrilled to be part of it. So again, this is AppsKitPro. There are different levels that you can get. So you can get the basic, you can get more advanced. So it really just depends on your budget and how much you want to get into. But you could get involved with this for as low as $47, and you could easily recoup easily recoup whatever you invest in this with one app, with selling one app. Okay, so again, I'm not going to go through all of this because there's a lot of information. These are just some stats. Okay, so native apps offer speed. And again, native apps are like if you're in, Mexico and you want to create an app for somebody in Spanish, it will help you do that. French. So there's different languages that you could do this in for different countries, and it will be in their language. Okay, so it's super fast, absolutely bug-free, works seamlessly on any platform. Serve the very purpose of having an app. So the apps are awesome. I love apps. These are different things that you can include. So there's a lot of flexibility and a lot of different things that you can do, that you can include in the apps that you make. So that's quite a bit. They put a lot of time and effort into this. There's also a video that you can watch as well. I'm not going to do that video for just the sake of time. Let's scroll down to the bottom. These are just some people who are using apps. Okay, here's a price comparison chart. Okay, so this is the Pro. You can get the personal use for $47. This is the Pro. And if you're gonna work, do this for businesses, you definitely want to get, at a minimum, get the Pro. But again, $79, that's a pretty reasonable price because you'll be able to recoup that in no time. So you can go through here. This is what the AppsKitPro version gives you. Versus other ones. Versus other app makers. So it's pretty cool, and it's a pretty cool opportunity for those of you who want to get into this. This is the personal license that you get, and this is the Pro. So for the store designer, you get hundreds of do-it-yourself sales pages, 18 plus checkout templates, multilingual support, e-commerce store builder, similar to like Shopify, apps integration, affiliate center, the subscription saver, free SSL certificate with Cloudflare, store designer, checkout pages, special launch. That's pretty good. That's pretty good for special launch. So this is the early bird price. So that's pretty good. You get $30 off from the actual selling price for Pro. So that's actually pretty cool. It's also, you also get a money back guarantee, so there's no risk. If you get it and decide you don't like it, you can get your money back. But I think this is going to be something that you will really get a lot of use out of. So again, that's AppsKitPro. It's launching on October 16th. Get in early. Get the special price for the launch special. and start your own app creation business for thousands of different businesses that want apps but just don't know where to go, who to get an app from, how to get one made. You can be there for them. So thanks for watching. Good luck. Please like, subscribe, and share. Please share this with people who you think might be interested in this. And again, the link to it is down in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.